I've seen that it's not really trauma that's causing people to eat and gain weight. It's really the positive hopefulness of success. What role does psychology play in weight management? Well, I was an obese person all of my early life, and I became a psychologist to figure out why I ate. Knowing those answers really didn't help me stop eating. For the past 40 years, I've been treating overeaters and myself, and I found that psychology is absolutely the most important thing. If you think about it, every program in our country talks about weight management by controlling your food and your exercise. But we have to instead look deeper into the person we are, because the person I am today can't live in my former fat body, and that lady can't live in this body. We do undergo some personality change to lose weight and keep it off. And psychology and psychological counseling will help you find out what those factors are. Many people think it's about what happened to us in our childhood and what traumas we've overcome. Actually, I've seen that it's not really trauma that's causing people to eat and gain weight. It's really the positive hopefulness of success. If you think about it, that's why so many people lose weight and regain it. So we need to help people learn how to walk into the sunlight of the spirit, walk into positive, wonderful feelings about themselves and about their lives. Psychology is the way to handle it.